Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you use Cash App, you might be wondering, is it really possible to get free money instantly? Well, the answer is yes. And today I'll show you one simple method that actually works. No scams, no fake tricks. Just a real way to boost your Cash App balance right now. This article mentions many methods to get free money on Cash App. If you're looking for an instant way to receive free money, you'll find that method toward the end of the article. As you scroll down in the article, you'll see a referral code method, but it takes a little bit of time for the money to arrive. You'll find the article link in the description. If you want, you can read that process in detail. Scroll down a bit more and you'll find some methods that do not require referral code to get free money. The first method is weekly giveaways. These are ways to get free money instantly on Cash App. The full step-by-step process is explained in the article. You can read it to understand better. Look here. The photo shows what kind of giveaways appear on Cash App's official Twitter and Instagram pages. Then, as you scroll a bit further, you'll find another method where you can earn money by playing games. This method allows you to receive your winnings instantly. See, this article explains everything. There are other platforms where you can play games and then withdraw your earnings to your Cash App account. One popular app is Mistplay. It's a great gaming platform where you earn points by playing games. After collecting enough points, you can redeem them for Visa gift cards. Then, you can add those gift cards to your Cash App balance. Here's how it works, step by step. 1. Download the app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. Download and install the app. 2. Create an account. Sign up using your email or Google account. 3. Choose and play games. Mistplay will show you a list of games you can earn points from. Pick any game you like and start playing. 4. Earn points. The more you play, the more points you earn. You'll earn points faster if you level up or play for longer. 5. Redeem gift cards. Once you have enough points, go to the rewards section. Choose a Visa gift card and redeem it. You can then add this Visa gift card to your Cash App. So by using this method, you can easily get free money on Cash App instantly.